This is the Instax Mini EVO. This Instax Mini EVO has that retro style feel to it. I think it's a good prop to use when you want to make a photo or a video, for example. The Instax Mini EVO is a 5 megapixel camera. It has a 28mm focal length and it stops as f2.0. You can insert a SD card that allows you to shoot up to 850 shots. You have a small mirror at the front to help you with your selfies. It's a small mirror, but I didn't have any problem to make the framing with this small mirror. This Instax Mini EVO has a built-in Instax Mini printer here. So if I do that, it's printing. So to change the film pack, you have to open these compartments by pushing away this button here. You open it. To remove the film pack, all you need to do is to pull it away just like so. Then you take the new one. You want to make sure that this yellow dot goes with here. What we're going to do is going to put this like so. Close the door. That's it. We don't want this anymore. You can remove it, and now we are ready to go for another session of shooting. The first time I used it, I found that the quality of the picture was behind what I could get with my smartphone. I didn't really understand what was the use of that kind of device when we have smartphone. I didn't actually understand it's the experience you get to take a picture and to print it out and to create the souvenirs directly, as opposed to a smartphone where it stays in your smartphone, but you don't really create a physical souvenir. And I didn't get that at the first place. It has a total of 10 lenses, starting from normal, vignette, soft focus, blur, fisheye, color shift, light leak, mirror, double X, half frame. Then you can choose between 10 different film: vivid, pale, canvas, monochrome, sepia, yellow, red, blue, retro, and this combining with the lenses, it makes you for a total of 100 different combinations possible with this Instax Mini EVO. Nice. And the more I play with it, and the more I understood the idea behind the fact of creating a souvenir, a picture that you can print and keep for yourself. So for the settings, it's quite straightforward, but basically here you have the exposure. Unfortunately, you don't have any histogram to indicate if you're overexposed or underexposed, so you really need to go with your guts. Then to the right, it's where you set the timer. Then you have a flash, this for the macro, and this will be the white balance. As for the menu, here you have the face detection that you can set to on or off. Then you have the AF illuminator. This is in the condition where you are lacking of luminosity. This can help. And the bit of settings, it's to pair your phone to the camera and then use the app that comes with it. I'll come to that later. Then you have the print quality mode. I put that to vivid. Natural tends to make the quality of the picture a bit pale, and this is where you want to update the firmware by using the app. Basically it's very basic. people who buy these kind of devices, this kind of Polaroid, they don't buy it to get a DSLR quality picture, but to create a souvenir, a memories that they can share and keep. So basically it's more for the fun of creating a souvenir that you can keep with you physically thanks to the built-in printer that is inside this device. Basically, you have an app here called Mini EVO. Here you have the interface. Here you can, in fact, select an image from your phone here. So this is my picture that is on my phone. Let's say I want to print that gorgeous picture of my lunch. It's actually wired, linked by Bluetooth with my camera. So let's say I want to print that. I just hit the print button here, and this is the magic happening. In fact, what I'm a bit more concerned about this camera is the battery life. I'm already running out of battery and I didn't use it that much. I didn't even use it for more than 1 hour, I think, 1 or 2 hours. I did play with it before I came here, but the battery life seems a bit low. Something to consider is that maybe the battery life isn't as great. By the way, sorry for the noise. I'm actually in the countryside and behind me there is someone, I don't know if you can see it, but there is someone actually farming using a kind of noisy device. So but other than the battery life, I really enjoyed using the Instax Mini EVO. I really start to understand why some people enjoy using these kind of devices when it comes to create souvenirs. You make a picture, then you print it out, and then you can go back home and you already have a physical souvenir and not a digital one that you have on your smartphone. It's not a DSLR kind of quality, but even so, that's not what I would expect coming from that kind of device. When you make that kind of small picture, maybe you don't want to have that high definition picture. Maybe you want to have that Instax kind of quality so you can feel that vintagey look, which is kind of in line with the look of this Instax Mini EVO, and I really like it. Now, if you really want to print out a high definition picture, maybe the device will not allow you to do that, but using the app, you can actually print the picture that, or in your smartphone, you can actually get this kind of picture that I find it's not the best if I compare that picture with the one that is on my phone, but you know, I think it's still okay. We still have a great picture here. I think it's good for a gift. If you're a man, or if you're parents and you want to make a gift for your girlfriend or for your girl, if you have a girl, I think this is a very good gift that you can get her with. I think it's worth it. But anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. And well, I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.